You know what?
The anthem, the people do not judge. This is Professor Ismail. They took from the
Our old pod.
Then they took it from him. The US Navy took it from him.
It has become a global anthem. As I said to Ahmed, may God have mercy on him, Uncle Ahmed Morjan. And why did I see him? I showed him the way, Uncle Ahmed, one of the people who was.
He sang the same anthem, the signature.
They have.
Got it where?
I took it from the Khadir family. They were walking in front of our suite. Hajj al-Hamad. This Khadir is a little bit of a drop, he decided. He had a cure, and then they went to pull. Yes, her name is the Almighty. What were they saying? They were saying, I will fly to Hofogrim, our brother's daughters. Raised him to worry. Subtraction, Foga restoration. And our sisters tied him to a movie. There's nothing like that. I mean, he tells you, this time you sing, you say, I don't like the Al-Jadi Al-Bajri. Raid Al-Tarab's husband is going to kill him. Other than this, he who loves death, put them in the past, they love death. When someone falls, they do not say, lift him up with me, and say, your mother is a delegation. Ha ha ha. They did not like the word, do not come down from the Sudanese mother.
Then you, how did you turn it?
She was. Looks like I turned her in 43. Papa Mahmoudi. Livestock without E-scales and without M account. I made it, I brought her the account, I brought her the scale so that she could use a domain account and Tommy Vaidosi so that she could come in the DM method. I entered the correct one for her, the Surfi made the correct Surfi M correct, the music was going silent.
Let the assumption, the viewer brothers, of course, all the awards and so on.
Do they like it?
Have you? Forget, is this close to me? Do you have anything close to me?
Stock from Bahrain?
Nope, not like that. Speech without majesty.
God have mercy.
With people.
On the same ream.
Then you?
Yeah, then I changed once to mean. You didn't let me see it violently. I didn't let it mean that the picture of Marsa al-Quba did not change it, and I did this way. I edited it to the man of the scouts in Egypt. His name was Tenderbough and I was English. Then I saw Power M. I gave it to him in 43. Wad told me if without money, I told him without money M. Then he put it at the embassy. The possibility after 2 days in school, after anyone named Mahmoud Ibrahim was holding the voice of America, he said to me, brother, we want you to perform Ambauer. I performed it energetically, and this anthem, I want you to bring the note so that you can go play the passers-by, the duration of the Navy in Tobruk. And indeed, I got up from Egypt and went by plane to Tobruk, and from where she sprayed her science and a helicopter came back, I found the orchestra present already, and I played the note. They were knocking on them and praying that people wanted to buy the internet, not buy it. Current cell phone AMAL and Senior Cell Phone distributed it. Each one printed his writing alone and told me to separate in the cold. They put me in the cold and ate me and drank me really like this.
And get marked. For whom did I get a rogue? He told me to listen to your result.
From the halls of Montezuma to the shores of Tripoli, we find our country's battles in the air, on land and sea. First to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the title of United States Marine. Our flags unfurled to every breeze, from dawn to setting sun. We have fought in every clime and place where we could take a gun. In the snow of far-off northern lands and in sunny tropic seas, you will find us all.